Let's make simple and tasty marshmallows! First of all, we need to boil water. So let's wait until water boils and then turn the heat on low and add sugar. Mix until sugar melts completely. Then add lemon acid and cover your pan. It's going to be cooking for 45 minutes at a low heat, so relax. Now we need to mix soda with a little bit of water and put it out into our syrup. We are expecting to get bubbles. After this, we cook it for 10 minutes more and turn the heat off. Now we need to combine 20 grams of gelatin with half a cup of water and leave it for about 15 minutes. Then we will have to use water bath to melt it. Now our sugar syrup is ready and we are going to use just 160 milliliters of it, so measure it. Now let's prepare our baking dish. Cover it with a foil and grease it with a little bit of oil. Let's check our gelatin, it's melted. Now we need to whip it at a very low speed. Going back to the stove again. We need to combine 400 grams of sugar with 130 milliliters of water. Also pour out the syrup that we've made before and add some salt. It's very important to mix all this until it starts to boil, but once it started, change the heat at very low and don't touch it for 8 minutes. As always, I'm using a little bit of vanillin for a nice smell. Now we need to pour out our sugar syrup into gelatin. It's hot, but it's okay. Start whipping at the minimum speed and move it to maximum. Whipping time at maximum speed is 15 minutes. I will speed this process up so you could see how the mixture will be changing. Now we are going to transfer it all into the baking dish and cover it with another piece of foil and let it set for at least 6 hours. Time to combine cane sugar with the starch. Take marshmallows out of the baking dish and we will have to cut them. It's much easier to do when your knife is greased with a little bit of oil or dipped into the combination of starch and cane sugar. Also, we will have to roll our marshmallows in this combination. Honestly, I didn't count how many pieces of marshmallows I've got, but it seemed like I've got